In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a customer in QuickBooks Online. Managing your customer list effectively is essential for keeping your QuickBooks Online clean and organized, especially when you need to remove outdated or inactive customer profiles. Whether you're tidying up your records or making adjustments to your accounting, the process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. So let's dive right in. To begin, the first step is to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Go ahead and click on the Sign In link, where you'll be prompted to choose QuickBooks Online from the options provided. At this point, if you haven't already signed in, you'll need to input your credentials, that's your username and password, and then click Continue to proceed. Once you're successfully logged into QuickBooks, you'll want to direct your attention to the navigation left-hand side of your screen. Here you'll see several tabs. Look for and click on the one labelled Customers and Leads. This tab is your go-to for managing your customer list and leads, providing easy access to view, edit, or arrange customer details. After accessing the Customers and Leads section, the next step is to select Customers. Click on this, which will open up the comprehensive list of all customers that are currently active in your records. This page allows you to manage customer information effortlessly and is designed to facilitate easy updates and edits. Now, once you're on the Customers page, look towards the Action column. Directly next to each customer's name, there should be a small drop-down arrow. Clicking this drop-down arrow presents a list of actions you can take for that specific customer. From the drop-down menu, there will be an option titled Make Inactive. Click this option when you've identified the customer you wish to delete from your active list. It's important to note that marking a customer as inactive isn't exactly the same as a traditional delete function. Instead, it removes the customer from active lists without permanently erasing associated records. This means historical data remains intact for your reference. To solidify your choice, a prompt will appear on your screen asking you to confirm your action. Select Yes, Make Inactive if you're certain you want to proceed. This action will move the selected customer profile out of your active customer list, effectively completing the deletion process. And there you have it, you've successfully removed a customer from your active QuickBooks Online records. It's a simple process, but it ensures your customer list remains streamlined and relevant. Remember, keeping your records up to date not only improves efficiency, but also helps maintain accurate accounting and record keeping. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.